Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Alicia and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my winter foundation routine. In the winter I can get away with having super radiant skin, so that is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. If you're interested in seeing how I get a flawless base and glowy skin, then of course stay tuned. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a thumbs up, and of course if you're not already, subscribe for more. Then my brows are already done and my face is already moisturized, but now, so we're going in with our primer, and that is a Mercier foundation primer in Radiance. I absolutely love this primer. I use it every winter, so I just dab a little bit on my face, and then I'm just going to go with my hands and rub it in. If you get the right primer, it could definitely help you with getting a flawless base as well, because there are primers that are made for large pores, so it can fill in your pores. There are primers that are made with that help to smooth the skin. So if you have a little bit of texture, it helps to even out that texture on your skin, which is going to give you more of a flawless base. Do not sleep on primers. You need a good primer in your life. I promise you, it can change your whole makeup game. So you have to let your primer sit on your face for at least 5-10 minutes to set, to be able to work and do what it's supposed to do. That is key. If you put on the primer and then put on the foundation, trust me, you're going to be disappointed. The primer will not be able to work to its fullest potential. I like to put on this Too Faced lip injection to get a little boost. I didn't get as full lips as I'd like, so this helps to plump them up a bit. The products are going to be listed down below if I don't have them across the screen. But I'm going to go in with this concealer. This concealer is about a shade lighter than myself, and I put that all over my eyes. As you can see, I have darker eyelids, so I like to put this on, and what it does is it cancels out that darkness and it brightens my eyes up, so I just instantly look awake. You will see. I always use my beauty blender sponge damp, and it helps to give you more of a flawless finish. And as you can see, that instantly like brightened up my face. And because I have baggy lids, I just go ahead and I set it right away. I'm gonna set it with my Mercier translucent powder. Now I'm wide awake. I'm almost wide awake. Almost wide awake. I'm gonna go in next with my color corrector. This is crucial for me because I do have dark circles under my eyes, and to correct them, I use an orange or peach colored corrector. This is MAC Prep and Prime highlighter, but I use it as a corrector because it has a peach tone. So I'm just gonna allow it to sit on my face for a little bit so that it doesn't move when I try to blend it out. For today's foundation, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty foundation stick. So this is a natural foundation, a natural looking finish foundation. That's what I'm going for. Just super natural look, but still flawless. So I'm just gonna go in with this straight to my face. Warning, the color is a little bit off. I did find out that I do have another shade match, but I already have this, so I'm going to finish it. With the back of the beauty blender sponge, I'm just going to blend this out. If you want more of a natural finish for your foundations, a blending sponge is the best way to go. I absolutely love this foundation. It just gives me this beautiful flawless finish. I did do a review on it, so you can check that out. The next step is my concealer. My OG favorite is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I like to press out any product that might be sitting under my eyes. Applying it upside down so it gives you this nice highlighted look. Do not bring it out here or you're going to widen your face. So using a concealer 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone is always best. And that's what I have here. Sometimes I'll use another lighter concealer to do the rest of my face, but because I'm keeping this beginner friendly, we're just going to use the same exact concealer and just put a little bit down the bridge of my nose. This is going to act as a highlight. Once I feel like it's set under my eyes, I will go in and slowly blend out the edges. You can stop here and go ahead and set your face, but I like a little bit more highlight, so I'm going to take a little bit of this Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer in Ginger. I'm just going to put it on the inner corners. And a little bit more on the bridge of my nose because I like my nose to like really pop. You see how that just gave me a little extra something. So using the same sponge, I'm going to go ahead and just pick up some of the powder. It has to be damp because I don't bake. I'm just going to be pressing it into my skin. And before I do that, I go and press out any excess product that might be trapped in these creases. It's supposed to melt away into your face. That's how I like it. Okay, so now that you're looking super crazy, you need to go ahead and add back some life into the skin. I'm not gonna contour today. Like I said, I'm trying to keep this as beginner friendly as possible. So we're just gonna use Fenty bronzer and Coco to add some warmth back to the skin. So I blend up because blending down brings your face down. So you always go up. And for me, going in circular motions helps to blend out product. So the perimeter of your face. It still kind of gives me a slight contour, but it's also just really just warming up my skin. You don't have to do too much like I do. I don't know, I just like that sun-kissed, just came from decay look. So, let's see. And don't worry if it's looking crazy, we are gonna blend it out. If you feel like you need to, take the back of your beauty blender sponge and kind of just blend out. So I actually take a little bit of the bronzer under my chin. You gotta slenderize it. Adding a little product underneath there is going to help to do that. While I have the bronzer, I'm gonna go in with a big fluffy brush. We're gonna go ahead and add some of the bronzer into our eyes, and that's just going to help to add some dimension back to the face. As you can see, we're slowly building back some dimension. Just gonna bring this down the sides of my nose, and it kind of just gives it a shape. Defines your nose. And then I go in with the powder again. I usually use my finger and I'll put it in my cupid's bow area. It's gonna help me to look like I have more of a deeper cupid's bow, which is also gonna help me to look like my lips are a little bit more full. Like I said, I wasn't blessed with super full lips, so I have to bake it. Put a little bit contour underneath here. It's gonna help to do the same thing. So now I have more pouchy lips. Now I'm gonna go in with my favorite blush, which is Coppertone by MAC. Pressing product to my skin gives me the most flawless finish. So it's not sitting on top of my skin, it's more just in there. So now we're gonna go in with some highlight. Like I said, I absolutely love glowing skin during the winter months. I mean, I love glowing skin throughout the year, but I can get away with more now during the winter, whereas in the summer, I'm oily and it's just gonna melt off and look crazy if I do too much. So I'm gonna go in with Whisper of Gilt by MAC. It's one of my favorite everyday highlighters. Onto your face, circular motions. You see how beautiful that is? Oh my gosh, so natural but so pretty. Yes, healthy skin. We got healthy skin. So I'm gonna go under my brow bone, above my brow, kind of give it a lift. A little bit in my forehead, which I can only do during the winter. Your skin just looks healthy. You know what I mean? In the wintertime, sometimes you could look washed out, dry. So this is just giving you some health back to that skin. This I couldn't dare do during the summertime. I'll put a little bit on my nose, just like that, and then a little bit down. And because I'm extra, I'm gonna go on top with a little bit of the Anastasia. I promise you, I'm not gonna look like a disco ball by the end of this. I'm just gonna look like healthy, 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 healthy. My MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark, and this is the next secret weapon for some beautiful, flawless, glowing skin. It has, like it says, it's a mineralized powder, so it has just these really beautiful light reflex that's just gonna make your skin look so healthy. So, and it's a very super lightweight powder. How cute is this? This is a pinky lipstick, so I like a natural pink flush on my lips. Go on top of that with some Fenty Glow. So what I'm going for was like my lip but better. So I'm just gonna spray my face with this Bedescu spray, and this just takes away that powdery look, which is gonna help you look more flawless. And then I'm gonna go in with my setting spray, Decay All Nighter spray today, and that's just gonna set my makeup to last all day. This is the final look. I'm loving it. My skin looks super radiant thanks to that primer, and just flawless. Everything is melted into my skin. So if you like this video, if you learned anything, let me know down below by commenting. Give me a thumbs up, and of course share it to someone else who you think might benefit from this. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.